Hello, grade 2. Welcome back to our online class. This is teacher Giovanni again, and in this video, we're going to talk about addition with regrouping. Before we proceed to our main topic in this video, let's recall first some topics we discussed when you were in grade 1. For example, I have here 10 unit cubes. There are 10 unit cubes. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 unit cubes or 10 ones, that is the same as 110. So I say, or we say, that 10 ones equals 110. What about if we have 10 tens? What is it equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 tens, and that is equal to 100. Therefore, we can say that 10 tens equals 100. Take note of that. Another example, I have here 110 and 5 ones. The base 10 blocks form what number? 15. So this is equal to 15, and the number 15 has 110 and 5 ones. Again, the number 15 has 110 and 5 ones. Let's have our examples. Let's have addition with regrouping. Number 1, add 426 and 146. So we're going to add these two numbers using the base 10 blocks and our place value chart. In number 426, there are 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. So I'm going to write here 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 6 ones. We have the number 426. In number 146, there's only 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. So I write here 100, 4 tens, and 6 ones. That is number 146. Okay. Now, you have to remember that when adding numbers, we have to start adding the ones. And addition means it's about putting objects together. So what are the ones here? We have 6 and 6. 6 ones and 6 ones make what number? Let's count the number of ones in our base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 6 ones and 6 ones make 12 ones. But remember, grade 2, we're not allowed to write 12 here. So what we are going to do is, we are going to regroup 10 ones. We are going to regroup 10 ones. We are going to count 10 ones. And remember that 10 ones is equal to 110. Therefore, we can say that 12 ones is equal to 110 and 2 ones. Okay? So, look at the number of ones left in this column. We have here 1, 2. There are 2 ones left. And take note of 110 rod being added in this column. So we have to add 1 here. We have 1 more 10. Did you get that? So you're not going to write 12 here. You're just going to write 2 and 1 in the tens column. Okay? Now, since we're done dealing with the ones, let's add the tens. How many tens are there in the tens column? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We write here 7. Or 2 tenths plus 4 tenths is 6 tenths. And you have one more 10, we have 7 tenths. Okay? And for the hundreds, we have here 400s and 100. 400s and 100 make what? Let's count the hundreds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 400s and 100 make 500s. So the number formed is 572. Or we say 426 plus 146, the result is 572. Okay, let's have another example. We're going to add 274 and 355. Let's start with 274. In this number, there are 2 hundreds, 7 tenths, and 4 ones. So we write here 2 hundreds, 7 tenths, and 4 ones. In number 355, there are 3 hundreds, 5 ones, and 5 tenths. So we write here 3 hundreds, 5 ones, and 5 tenths. Okay? Again, when adding numbers, we have to start adding the numbers in the ones place. What are the numbers in the ones place? We have 4 and 5. So 4 ones and 5 ones make what number? Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. When you put the ones together, we have a total of 9 ones. Therefore, 4 ones and 5 ones make 9 ones. What about the tens? We have here 7 tens, 5 tens. Let's count the number of tens in our base 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 tens altogether. But we have a problem there because we cannot write 12 here. So what we are going to do? We regroup 10 tens. We are going to count 10 tens and we're going to change 10 tens to 100, just like this. Okay? So we can say that 12 tens is equal to 100 and 2 tenths. Therefore, 7 tenths plus 5 tenths, you have here 2 tenths because we have 2 tenths left, but don't forget to add 100 in the hundreds place because we added 100 here. Okay? Again, 7 tenths plus 5 tenths equals 2 tenths and 100 over here. That's how we do regrouping. And finally, let's have the hundreds. We have here 200s plus 300s plus the 100 that we just added. So let's see what number will they make. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are a total of 6 hundreds. 200s plus 300s is 500s plus 100, we have 600s. Therefore, 274 plus 355 is equal to 629. Okay, and let's have our final example in this video. We are going to add 186 and 447. Let's start with 186. In this number, there's only 100. There are 8 tens and 6 ones. So we have 100, 8 tens, and 6 ones. This is the number 186. And for number 447, there are 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. So we write here 4 hundreds, 4 tens, and 7 ones. Okay? Now let's combine the ones together. 6 ones plus 7 ones equals what number? Let's count the ones all together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 ones altogether. Therefore, 6 ones plus 7 ones is 13 ones. But we are not allowed to write number 13 here. So what do? We are going to regroup 10 ones. So we're going to regroup 10 ones. Therefore, the number 13 or 13 ones is the same as 1 10 and 3 ones. Take note, we have here 1 10. We added 1 10 here. And the number of ones left in this column is 1, 2, 3. So we have here 3. 6 ones plus 7 ones is 3 ones and 1 10. That's how you do regrouping. Let's have the tens. 8 tens, 4 tens, and we have one more 10. Let's count how many tens there are in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 tens, but we're not allowed to write number 13 here. So what do? We regroup 10 tens. We're going to count 10 tens and change them to 100. Okay? So we added 100, and how many tens left? 1, 2, 3. We have here 3. So 8 tens, 4 tens, and 1 10 make 3 tens and 100. Therefore, 13 tens is 100 and 3 tens. And finally, let's add the numbers in the hundreds. 1 plus 4 plus 1 make what number? Let's count the number of hundreds here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have here 6. 100 plus 400 plus 100 is 600s. Therefore, 186 plus 447, the answer is 633. Okay, that's it, grade 2. I hope you learned something from this video. And don't forget the concept of regrouping. Whenever there are more than 10 in either ones or tens, you have to regroup 10 of them. Okay, so see you in my next videos and